an opera singer and composer. My name is Alexandra Chernyshova and I'm 35 years old. I was born in Kiev, Ukraine, and living in Iceland since 2003. 3 years ago, I decided, why not to write an opera? I have been living in dramatic world for 20 years now, and I thought that I have, and felt it, that I have enough experience to write my own opera. Why not? I do not know why, but I wanted so much to write an opera about a woman. A story which would move everyone and everywhere. And I did my research, and there were so many good stories about marvelous women, but the story about Icelandic bishop's daughter and the poet really had my soul and heart. Since first time when I heard it from my friend, Icelandic actress and writer Guðrún Ásmundsdóttir, I could not forget about tragic story, this young woman, Ragnhildar, bishop's daughter, which happened in 17th century in Iceland. And this was the story. It took me 3 years to write and compose an opera, and last spring was a premiere of this opera, Poet and Bishop's Daughter, in the beautiful historical church in Wellfjord, Hallgrímskirkja í Saurbær. Why do I need your help? I would like to make a good recording of the opera, highlights, to present a new opera, Poet and Bishop's Daughter, for those who did not see it, and all around the world. And that's why I need your help. Help me to make a good studio recording of my first classic opera. I hope that you will not be disappointed. I hope that music composed by Ukrainian-born composer, difficult Viking language, breeze of judgmental 17th century, and story about real friendship and heartbreaking love will move you, make you smile and cry at the same time. With best wishes from Iceland, Wellfjord, 16th of December 2014. Bye.